Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for young baseball and softball enthusiasts. The Zonlolo 6x6 feet portable baseball and softball net. This is hands down one of the best T-ball hitting nets you can find on the market. Let's start with what you get in the package. The Zonlolo net comes with a sturdy bow frame, a batting tee, a ball caddy, and 2 strike zones. It's designed not just for solo practice, but for family fun too, making it perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. The net itself is made of durable nylon fabric with reinforced steel poles, ensuring it can handle those powerful swings without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is its portability. The lightweight design and easy assembly mean you can set it up anywhere, in the backyard, garage, or even indoors. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag for hassle-free transport. The net's large 6x6 feet size provides ample space for unrestricted swing room, which is crucial for developing batting skills. It also includes 2 strike zones to help improve accuracy and consistency. What sets the Zonlolo net apart? Well, besides its robust build and user-friendly setup, it offers a real game feel. It collects balls safely after contact, so you're not constantly chasing them around. This makes practice sessions more efficient and enjoyable, both for young players and their families. At around $75.99, this net is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about improving their game. It's built to last, which means it'll grow with your child as they progress in their skills. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable T-ball hitting net that's perfect for kids and families alike, the Zonlolo 6x6 feet portable baseball and softball net ticks all the boxes. From its durable build to its user-friendly features, it's designed to enhance your training sessions without breaking the bank. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Zonlolo net today. And if you've used this product yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.